Now we will solve some other numericals. Two lamps are rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in the parallel to the electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? Means first we will write what is given. So in this given, V is given, that is 220 volt. Power is given, first lamp power is given 100 watt, and for second lamp the power is given 60 watt. Second lamp also the V is 220. Now they are connected in the parallel. We have to find out the total amount of the I. So for this, what we will do, we will find out first I for the first lamp, that is I1, and then we will find out the I2 for this second lamp. Then this I1 plus I2 will give us the total I, right? So we know that the formula of power is P is equal to VI. Now for first lamp, P1 V I1, because V is same for both the lamps. So I1 we will find out, I1 is equal to P1 upon V. P1 is 100 upon V is 220. So when you simplify it, you will get 0.45 ampere. Now for second lamp, P2 is equal to VI2. So in this condition again, I2 is equal to P2 upon V. P2 is given 60 and V is the same. So 60 upon 220, which is equal to 0.27 ampere. So total I is equal to I1 plus I2, which is equal to I1 is 0.45 plus I2 is 0.27. So 7 and 5. It is 0.72 ampere. This is the total amount of the current which flows through both the lamps. Now the next question is, which uses more energy, a 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or a 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes, right? So first we will write given for TV set, and the second one is for the toaster. Now for TV set, which uses more energy, we have to find out the energy. We have to find out power is 250 watt is given for TV set and time is given 1 hour, right? And for this again हमें H find out करना है. Power is given 1200 watt and the time is given 10 minutes. Now what we will do, first we will convert this time into second here also and here also. So this time in second, 1 hour, 60 minutes, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. So it is 3600 seconds. Here it is 10 minutes into 60 seconds. So it is 600 seconds. Now we will use the formula. Formula is what? H is equal to P into T. Power is given, that is 250, and time is 3600. By multiplying both, we will get this. We will get in the second condition again the same formula, H is equal to P into T. H is the energy, it is the heat energy in this. Power is given 1200 into 600, so it is 72 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 joule. So which uses more energy? So we can say this one uses more energy. So a TV set uses more amount of the energy.